Hey guys, welcome to another pack opener. And today, as you can see, there's been a new update. Legend! Varane! Straight into the pack opening, and we start ourselves off with a bloody legend. I need to move that to see because what the challenge for this video is to get 100 and I'd say 180 100 and 200k. That's the challenge. So I'm opening packs and quick sell, and we got exactly 164k. And Veltman. I get Meridian. And then, so will we get? Comment in the description if you want me to do any more of these packs, like want me to do any more of these YouTube videos, like getting pack, like opening packs. As you can see, our coin total is rising. Got my cousin started a live stream. Shout out to Riley Coombs in the description. Kizola, Santi Cazorla. We've got 174k. We will be getting two as you can see in the new update, you can buy like special packs. As you can see, I'll be getting, as you probably can see in the description, that I will be buying two of them by the time I have enough. And once I've opened them, you guys down below will comment and say which one is the best. And we pack Salmon Rondon. Salomon. We are nearly there. You won't see my reaction, but you'll hear it. So the first pack is going to be with 100k. I've just decided to turn the camera on as I'm getting close. So comment down below how have you been doing? Like, these are not old. It's because there's a new update I've started playing. I deleted it and then somebody messaged me saying on the pack game there's been a new update, and I just wanted to open to see what my luck's like and open packs. Got as you can, after this pack I'm gonna show you my best. Wait a minute, let's just quick sell that pack at 190. As you can see, I packed 99 Ronaldo. I packed the 99 bloody Ronaldo. He is the best player in that you can pack. Barzagli. I'm Victor Valdes. Okay. I'll do a club reveal when I hit 7 20 subs. No longer, no shorter, no time after, no time before. I will do a club reveal, not like what Dean from Mr. Four Fortunes did, like club. I will be doing club as in football club. Okay, so got 10k. And I've got 1,000 coins to get till I'm going to get 201. You're saying like, Jake, you gotta do it now. Fine. And to that, I will go and open my 200k packs. First pack, I get Inform Cavani. I'll quick sell the rest. Then, oh fuck you. I didn't open. You get Inform Thiago. So, I'm gonna put this video to an end. See you guys next time. Goodbye.